Coleg Gwent is a diverse and inclusive place with wonderful supportive staff. So if you have additional learning needs, it's a fantastic place to help you learn and grow. You can study close to home at all 5 of our campuses with purpose-built spaces for you to learn. Our independent living skills, or ILS courses, focus around independence, health and well-being, employability and community. Every learner has an individual learning program designed to meet your specific needs, as well as a personal tutor allocated for the duration of the course to help develop confidence, self-esteem and everyday life skills to lead an independent life in the community. You'll cover basic literacy, numeracy and digital literacy, diet and exercise, take part in work placements, fundraising and community events. You can also study something that interests you personally, or try new things like arts and crafts, cookery, animal care, sport and leisure, or photography, for example. All courses are 1 year in length, so you can progress further with an ILS or onto mainstream courses at the college. Find out more about independent living skills courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.